Assalamu alaikum students. We continue exercise with question number 6, in which we discuss the type 2 formation of the given equation. We reduce this equation to quadratic form of equation so that we can find its solution by using either the method of factorization, completing square, or use of quadratic formula. But first we recall what is the type 2 equation. That is, if we observe that equation of the type 2 in which the first value contains p of x, similarly the second value also contain polynomial of x. One important thing is that in first term the polynomial of x is present in numerator, and in the second term the polynomial is present in the denominator. That means they are reciprocal of each other. If one value is p of x, then other value is 1 over p of x. That is what we have to keep it in mind. They both are reciprocal of each other. Let's do the question number 6. In the first step, we let that the polynomial of x, that is 2x square plus 1, is equal to y. Substituting the value in the given equation, we have y plus 3 over y is equal to 4. In place of 2x square plus 1, we put y in both terms. If we recall the method of solution of such kind of equations, as we have a rational expression, so we multiply each term by the LCM of the denominator, and LCM is only y, so we multiply each term by y. Y multiply y plus y multiply 3 over y equal y multiply 4. Y is cancelled by y, we have y square plus 3 is equal to 4y. 4y, writing 4y is taken to the left hand side to write this equation in standard form. Y square minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have a simple equation of quadratic form. So we use midterm breaking method of factorization. Y square minus, in place of 4 we put a bracket, y plus 3 is equal to 0. The last term sign is plus, we put plus over here, and 1 3, so 1 into 3 is equal to 3. It has only these two factors, the 3 as it is prime number, so we write the 3, the greater number first, and the smaller number after it. Y square minus 3y minus plus minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 when we open the bracket. Now we take y common from these first two terms, y into y minus 3 minus 1 is taken as common, y minus 3 is equal to 0. We write y minus 1 as the first factor and y minus 3 as the second factor equal to 0. As the product of the two factors is equal to 0, therefore we have two possibilities. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. For second value, y minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 is taken to the right hand side, becomes y is equal to 1. 3 is taken to the right hand side, becomes y is equal to 3. Now we have both values of y. We substitute the value of y by 2x square plus 1. Two x square plus 1 is equal to 1. 2x square plus 1 is equal to 3. We take 1 to the right hand side, we have 2x square is equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. When 2 is taken to the right hand side, x square is equal to 0 divided by 2, we have 0. Taking square root of both sides, we have x is equal to 0, as the square is cancelled by square root and the square root of 0 is 0. 2x square, 1 is taken to the right hand side, minus 1, it becomes equal to 2. 2 is taken to the right hand side, becomes denominator, 2 divided by 2, cancel, 2 ones are and 2 ones are. X square will be equal to 1. Taking square root of both sides, we have x square under root, 1 under root, we have x is equal to plus minus 1. As in both cases, we have integers, means 0 and plus minus 1. So we write the solution set as minus 1, 0 and 1. So the solution set is minus 1, 0, 1. That's it for the question number 6. Let's do another question of type 2 equation in which we reduce this given equation into quadratic form to find its solution. In this kind of equation, we have a polynomial in the first term and its reciprocal in the second term. So we let that value equal to a variable. Let x over x minus 3 is equal to y. Taking reciprocal of both sides, we have x minus 3 over x equal to 1 over y. When we take reciprocal, the numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. And the same thing we do on the right hand side. In denominator we have 1. So numerator will become denominator and denominator 1 will become numerator. Now we put the values in the given equation. We have y plus 4 into 1 over y is equal to 4. Multiplying both sides by the LCM of the denominator, that is y, we have y multiply y plus 4 into 1 over y multiply y, 4 into y. Y is cancelled by y and we have y square plus 4 is equal to 4y. We write in standard form y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. 4y is taken to the left hand side, becomes minus 4y. Now we write in the form of formula y square minus 2 into y, the value of b is 2 plus 2 square is equal to 0. Applying this formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. We have y minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 0. As we are required to find the value of y, so therefore we have to remove the power 2 by taking its inverse, that is square root. We have y minus 2 square root is equal to 0 square root. Square is cancelled by square root. We have y minus 2 is equal to 0, as square root of 0 is 0. Y is equal to 2. Now we replace the value of y from this equation. We have x over x minus 3 is equal to 2. By cross multiplication we get x is equal to 2. X minus 3 is taken to the right hand side, x minus 3. 2x minus 6, 2x is taken to the left hand side, x minus 2x is equal to minus 6. 1 minus 2 minus 1, so that is minus x is equal to minus 6. Minus 1 is taken to the right hand side and we have x is equal to 6. Thus solution set That's it for the question number 7.